2024 BMW M3 Competition. Sick setup, Meister shaft, full stainless steel, got the carbon fiber tips. We're trying to make this a little bit more aggressive. We already slapped the Meister shaft system. This is a GTHAUS by Meister shaft. Pretty awesome setup, man. We just did the GLE with the Meister shaft. We got a couple other systems on our page with the Meister shaft system. They're top notch, guys. We really love these systems at GTHAUS. As you guys can see, you see the work of art of a system. Like I said, carbon fiber tips, got the quads, got the splitters inside, so you know it's GTHAUS. And customer wants a little bit more aggressive. We started off with the axle back, which starts from here back, and then comes with a muffler, comes with the valves, comes with the tips. And the customer, like I said, wants a little bit more aggression, a little bit more sound out of this M3. So we're gonna delete these two resonators, do our Gexhaust X pipe, mid pipe for this, and it's gonna sound a lot more aggressive. Still maintains the valves in the back, so he gets the control. He's got this muffler, so when he does close the valves, it goes through the muffler and deepens everything up. So the customer is asking for more sound. Perfect setup right here. Delete both of these resonators, or even one of them. If you just want a little bit more sound, you can delete one of them. But if you delete both of them, it minimizes all the equalization inside the system. So we recommend the X pipe. So like I said, chop, 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 midsection, 3-inch, X pipe in place of it. Then we'll crank it for you guys and see how aggressive this thing is. It's gonna sound like a beast. Got the BMW brand new 2024. You can tell by the dashboard, touch screen, brand new Mercedes-Benz style display. Pretty sweet update to these BMWs. And yeah, we slapped the X pipe on there. Got the suede M Performance key badging. Pretty sick. Seems nice. Feels good. Feels like a nice little pillow. If I was an M driver, I'd get an M Performance pillar. So yeah, got the M3 Competition. I'm just gonna take it on the road real quick so you guys can hear what it sounds like in full rev. So that's comfort mode, pretty chill, super chill still inside, even with the Meister shaft and the mid pipe, which is awesome. Gotta put your seat buckets on, and look at that, M badging seat belts, pretty sick. Also, I don't know if you guys saw, but orange interior with the bucket seats, got carbon fiber everywhere. Carbon fiber seats, see that thing? Pretty sick. So one thing I do like about the seats on the M3s, M4s, carbon fiber buckets. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what it sounds like. I'm gonna hit M2 activation. See that right there? Double click to confirm. Now I'm gonna hit it. Oh yeah, much better. Customer will be happy about this. Now this thing sounds like an M3 competition. Yeah, sounds real good. Just making sure there's no rattling underneath. The X pipe's a little bit bigger. It's got dual 3-inch piping. Just like I said, making sure there's no rattling. We also slapped the Mishimoto Stage 2 air intake on there. I'm gonna put it up in front of the shop, pop the hood, show you guys that. And yeah, so the Meister shaft axle back, custom Gexhaust mid pipe, and a Mishimoto Stage 2 air intake. It's all this car really needs, man, to wake it up. Should be around 560 horsepower if I'm not mistaken. But dude, inside sounds phenomenal. That sounds good. Got the Mishimoto slapped in there. You guys can see it. Mishimoto, they do make a carbon fiber option. It's like 3 times more money just for carbon fiber. Does not make you go faster. It looks cooler when you pop the hood, but we're all about functionality and making sure you get the best deal for the buck. Now, if you did like a carbon fiber diffuser, let's say you had these in carbon, or you had a carbon fiber engine bay, and you want to match it, then I would recommend it. But this car has no carbon besides the bucket seats. So that's why I recommended the regular, normal, non-carbon Mishimoto air intake. So I'm gonna hit the gas so you guys can hear that turbo sound.